I have been talking a lot about the youth recently. That does not mean that we ignore the age. Like Mama here now, at state, we need to have a program of how to take care of people like Mama right now. She has made an appeal. She said that where she lives is rented, and she would like to be purchased. I will undertake to ensure that it is purchased from her, so that it can have something that because shortly we are going to be celebrating the Mashujaa Day on the 20th of this month. I want to also talk about the caring for those who have made contributions in your country, the elderly, and those, for example, who are in the forces, like in the police and in the armed forces, who lose their lives in line of duty. These people actually are not cared for, and their descendants live in misery sometimes. I think it is time that we came up with a comprehensive program how to care for these people. We would also like to see a program generally for looking after the aged.